So now you can see I have just created done the whole rotor work right now, and we can completely see that we have successfully removed the character's neck from here. So what I did, I'll just let you explain once again. So we created clean plate over here, and then I just worked on key completely, so that pardon me, so that we can restore the neck area detail. And later on I just mix the area which is necessary, that I just needed this much region, so I have just mixed, brought back this original scan details, and now I have copied the alpha from here, so that we can add a character. So I've rendered everything. So this is the actual scan, and this is the one which we are supposed to add, and this is the paint scan. So this would be the one which we'll be using. And over here what we're gonna do, let me give you a brief idea. So first thing, what we will do is stabilize this female character from neck region, so that we can add this character over here. So why do we need to stabilize it? Because it would be really difficult for us if the movement is going from left to right. It would be really better that if it's stabilized, it stays in the center, then we can just quickly match it, because this character has a different movement, and even she has a different movement, so it would be really difficult for us to stabilize. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stabilize both of them from the neck, from certain this point, and then we're gonna again add the mesh move. So let us just stabilize both of them. Take a tracker, we'll go her near her neck region, and we need to do properly, so I'll just go frame by frame so that I can so there is no issue in the tracking. I need to make sure that so I'll just go over here and just adjust for luminance changes. If there is luminance changes happening over here, please then the Nuke will deal itself from it. Once we done the stabilization of both of them, then we're gonna okay then we're gonna like again bring back this movement, the mesh move. Even we have to match the skin tones, and slightly work would be there, which we're gonna see. We're just gonna stabilize her in transform, not in rotation or scale. We just need to stabilize her with the help of transform in the translate, I mean to say, not in scale or rotation, because the scale and rotation is a different movement. And okay, this is like this much shift is there. it's done. So what we're gonna do is take the stabilize, transform stabilize back, and we just gonna stabilize her. So right now you can see, we can just see the those movement, not anything else. She is stabilized, and which is really good, which is gonna help us. So there is some kind of jitter, I think so, that would be might because of like this one. It can be because of the camera, I think so, that they didn't capture the perfectly the frames. Still it's okay. We'll proceed. From now we'll go to this character, and we need to have a track point, I think so. Well, I forgot to make a track marker for this boy, but it's okay, that we can deal with it. So I'm just searching for something which can be used over here, and I think so these 2 points are there, the one which is over here, this, and let us just check if we can get something from this point. Make it contrasty. Yes, so we'll see this point. So we'll do a manual work for him as well, so that we can stabilize this character as well. And we can denoise, so that we get rid of grains over here. So it become easy for us to read the pattern, and so it comes over here. I'll just doing it quickly. So there is a slight movement over here, and even here. Stabilizing him is a really big issue, because it hard it is really hard to judge that point, and all I'm doing is just a manual work, and just a rough idea where the point is. So we have at least this much frame done. We'll proceed further. The actual stabilization is needed for this much of movement, not for those small stuff, just for this movement, like which is really important. Okay, this goes over here. My bad. Yes. So you can see this is too much of transform. We need to fix it. And so we have done it, and let's just take transform stabilize. Now let us see. So as you can see, this is completely stabilized, which is really good, like a good one stabilization. And what we need to do, like we can proceed further now, and this is like take this stabilization over here. Okay, we'll keep the tracker and both of them. I'll just copy it over here. Let's do a key work at the beginning, and let me save version up. Yes, so I have a key. I'm just gonna be do it roughly. I'm not bothering about anything because this is what I need right now. And so both of them are stabilized. I'll just place it. Where is the this can, yeah, I need this. So this is stabilized. Why so the hell? So you can see you don't have to worry about any information which is you might be thinking that we are getting lost. So I'll just give you a rough idea of that what we are supposed to do. As we have stabilized this the character over here, then we're gonna just take this track and we'll copy paste it over here, and we're gonna invert it. So what will happen, just let me show you. The track would remain the same, it won't change, just it will help us to get this boy in a proper position, nothing else. So that's what we are supposed to do here. We'll go at first frame now, and we'll place the character at the first frame properly. Yeah, definitely you need to keep your pivot at the center, and go here, scale him down. So I have the alpha in the paint, so which is really good for me. I'll just use this as a stencil over here, so that I can actually get rid of this. Now just small go small. Yes, so he is placed over here. We'll just check the, we would be checking I'm just putting a stabilize over here so that we can just check the size and everything from neck region, and which is, this is good. Definitely we need some kind of rotor work as well as over here. We'll do it afterward. Slightly down and up, as this is good. So we'll keep this as a reference transform, and we'll use this for animation that we need to do. So I'll set everything as like, I'm just gonna key everything. Okay, and we just gonna place the pivot over here. So what I'm supposed to do is go at the end frame and match the scale. So you can see this much, slightly more. Let us just show overscan. We can go slightly more because the nose is over here and the eyes is over here, and we can place him properly. Slightly more, I think so. So first and last frame is almost matched, as you can see. Now we'll just go in between frames so that we can match their size. It's just going too much. And you can see there is some kind of rotation we need to do over here, so we'll rotate him slightly like this. So now he's placed properly, so the frame over here and here is okay, so in between it would be definitely okay, or else we'll just go and check and do some manual stuff like this. So we'll go 40 at 40, like 10 to 20 frame ahead, so that we can match him. The scale is too much, less, go less, and we're gonna place him like this. We'll go at 60 now. So as you can see, it just a matter of some kind of rotation work and some transform. It's already started to get properly blended, and we need to get this down slightly more like this, and we'll come over 75 somewhere. It needs to go down over here, and like this. We need to match the neck, which is really important. Now let us just view it from here. Let me just cache it. So as you can see, this is a rough idea, which is, you can see there is some kind of track slave, and we need to do integration work as well. So we'll fix this now, and before that, what I will do, just get rid of this area, that is, which is the shoulder area, because there is a difference between the boy shoulder and the female character shoulder, so girl shoulder. So let me just get rid of this, so that we can proceed further to get stabilization done properly. Once the stabilization is done, so we have track applied properly, so everything would look good, and then we can proceed for color correction and all. So now you can see we have I have removed those areas, so there is a integration work pending, as you can see, as well as we need to fix those, like jitter stuff. We need to properly align the face to the character. So in the next video, what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna uh, place him properly, then we're gonna fix the integration, and then we're gonna do the CC work which is required for us. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and guys, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, please guys, please.